Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can adjust or customize the slide length for your, or slide transition length, sorry, for your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this case. So in your presentation on LibreOffice Impress you will need to click into slide at the top and into slide transition. That is going to open up that slide menu here to the right. You may open it also with the shortcut Alt-6. And let's say, for example, guys, we have chosen any of these transitions for your slides. You can modify these here below as or including the duration. So it will be set to 2 seconds on default, but you may use these arrow up and arrow down buttons to customize it. You may also enter a value here, like a half a second, for example. Click into apply transition to all slides or only for a specific one. You may watch the preview here, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.